Hello there, this is Dave Allen for EV20 Questions, and I'm at a charger in Platja dAro. Now, the last time I came to use this charger, it was not working because someone had basically pulled the head off it. It had been advertised in some of the local sort of information and stuff. Came here to use it and it was not functioning, wasn't working at all. So I thought, well, I was finished work today, I thought I'd come and give it a try. I got here and it's working. Took me a bit of a while to work out how to use it. Okay, so I got a little bit confused because on the machine itself there's a place where you can put an RFID card. There's a little symbol saying put the RFID card here, sort of thing. So I tried all the RFID cards I got on there and it didn't work. Thought, well, that's bloody good, isn't it? I nearly gave up. So then I thought, well, let's have a look on the machine there and read the instructions. It was in Catalan, but I managed it anyway. So anyway, basically what you have to do is you take your camera and you scan the QR code. Okay, that's a good start. It opens up a website. You go to the website and you fill in all the details, your personal details and everything else, like your identity number and all the sort of phone numbers and email address and all that sort of stuff. So I did all of that, and then I got another email just shortly after that with a username and password. So then what I had to do I was thinking I had to put the password in somewhere, but I didn't. So I read the machine again and got some more details. It says basically all you have to do is rescan the QR code again, put in the username and password on the website that comes up after that, and you're in, you're away, you're charging. And it was pretty simple. Now the funny thing was is that while I was here, a guy comes along and says to me in Spanish, who started talking to me, he says, "Oh, you got one of these here? I've got a Renault Zoe," and was chatting away. And after a couple of minutes he says, "Are you English?" I says, "Yeah." So we've been talking for a couple of minutes in Spanish, and it turns out he's a Welsh bloke. He's been living here for a long time. He says, obviously he must have recognised my Birmingham accent on my Spanish speaking, but still. Anyway, so we stopped and we was chatting for about 25 minutes about his Zoe and charging up and stuff. He's only done 400 kilometres in it so far. So the fact that I've done sort of over 6,000 kilometres, I'm a bit of an old hat at this, old hand at the game. So anyway, it was nice to talk to him. His name was Mike, and Mike Nicholson. And we had a good bit of a chat about charging and using stuff, and I was giving him tips about various apps that you can get to do this, and all the cards that you can use to get charging up. I told him about the one from AMB for Barcelona. I told him about the one from Barcelona, which you can get, which takes a long time to get once you've applied for it, and also told him about how to get the one from Girona. So it was pretty good, really. And he was telling me also that he was talking to the guy who's in charge of these sort of things in this district, this Platja dAro area, and he's telling me that the guy who's in charge of this he says he's going to put these chargers all around the town, so there's going to be more of them. So that is excellent. First time I've had to do any charging in the rain, and things were getting wet, but it still kept on charging, and no worries. I didn't get electrocuted, and the car didn't set on fire or anything like that. So if you've been worried about whether your car's going to explode because you're charging in the rain, you don't have to worry. It's be fine. Don't worry about it. It'll be okay. So now, this is Dave Allen for EV20 Questions, just having a wee bit of a chat about how to do some charging in Platja dAro at the charger. It's only a Type 2 Mennekes, but still worked fine. Anyway, I should have an email at some point in time from him to tell me how much I put into the battery. Bye-bye now. Talk to you again soon.